You can never go wrong with this body butter. Like, this is year-round product.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody
Ship them. As we all know, the struggle is real. Whenever you ship out a body butter during the summertime, it gets ruined. So if you do not want that, guys, this is the key. We will be making some emulsified body butter today, and it's perfect for the summer. Like I said, you're gonna be amazed and very happy with this outcome. Okay, so if you are interested and want to know how, keep watching. I've divided this into 3 phases. That's how it's always done. Over here I have my water phase, my oil phase, and down here is my cool down phase. Okay, so what I'm going to start with is the water phase. In here I have some aloe vera juice. I'm going to leave the measurements down in the description per usual and all of that. So over here I have some distilled water. Okay, I'm going to be adding my distilled water to my aloe vera juice, and up next will be my vegetable glycerin. It's normally when I'm doing this, I always start with the water phase. It's not mandatory, you can start however you like. Okay, let's put this right here. With the oil phase, I'm just gonna start with the the emulsified wax NF. Okay, I'm gonna be pouring it in here like so. Over here I have my stearic acid. I'm gonna be putting it into my bigger where I have my emulsifying wax NF. Okay, go like so. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. Okay, so in here I have 2 different butters in here. I have some mango butter and also some shea butter. You guys know these 2 butter loves the skin, right? So I'm gonna put it in here like that. So this is my beautiful turmeric oil. I'm gonna link the video under this video, so you guys, if you want to learn how to make your own turmeric oil, you will do so. Okay, so I'm just gonna be adding it here. Beautiful color, guys. Like the color is so mind blowing. So I'm just gonna be taking both my oil phase and my water phase. I'm gonna put it onto my double boiler, heating up the water phase and melting down the oil phase. Okay. My both oil and water phase have been heated properly, so it's time for the magic. Let's go. So I'm gonna be taking the heated water phase and I will be adding it to the oil phase. Okay, let's go. Ooh, guys, can you see the magic? Can you just see the magic? I am crazy over this color. It is really, really hot right now. As you can see, it's just pure water. I use my immersion blender to fully incorporate every ingredient that is in here. Let's go. Let's prep this bad boy up. Take out all the air bubbles. a longer time to thicken up. But don't worry, like don't be alarmed, don't be like worry about it, because it's definitely gonna get thick. I just don't have patience for that right now. That's why I'm rushing it. But as you can see, it's getting thicker. After 15 minutes, this is how it's looking. It's kind of chunky up. I'm definitely going to use the immersion blender on it and all, so bear that in mind. I'm loving this color. Like the color is giving. Okay, I'm just gonna be adding my vitamin E oil. It's getting really thick. I need to work fast and all of that jazz. Okay, now it's turning into the proper body butter. And if I'm going to be using Optifine, I don't know why Brembo Berry. See, you see how the label, that label is? Look at that logo. That logo is pretty. Like you can see the label, right, or the logo, right? But look at the name of the product. I don't know what kind of label they be making, but this is not right. Like they need to work on this. This is crazy. The next ingredient that I'll be adding in here will be my preservative and my fragrance oil. As you can see, I already mixed both of them, and I'll be adding them in here like so. Okay, guys, my beaker is too small. I want to whip this up a little bit. So with that being said, I have no choice but to transfer this product into a bigger bowl so I can whip it good. Okay,
dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say.
Here we are with our fluffy body butter. It is so creamy. I'm looking for chunks and stuff to see if I'll see any. I'm not really seeing any. Like, it's pretty creamy, as you can see, and I love that. You can see here, guys. Look, if it was chunky, I would have known by now. Like, it's not. See how smooth it is? That's what I'm looking for, and all of that good stuff. So I'm thinking now, is there a way that I can color portion of this? What color is going to be nice with this? Let's try this little experiment and see how this goes. Okay, I'm thinking between these two. You guys already know these are my favorite colors. Okay, don't come for me and all of that. So I think I want to do the orange. Hopefully it turns out well and we will have some fun. Yes, guys, it is changing. It is changing, baby. I'm just gonna be taking portion of it and putting it in here like so. I want the yellow to dominate, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, I'm too happy that I was able to color portion of this, because when I seen it, I was like, I don't think I'll be able to color it because the way I wish it was looking, but surprisingly, it turns out like I wanted it. When I say orange, I mean it. Like there's no, it mixed properly. I'm not seeing no streaks of the, like it's mixed well. Okay, really mixed. Really mixed. And I'm happy that I was able to make this loud color. Like I wasn't even expecting it. Let's move on with packaging. Okay guys, it's time to pipe. As usual, I'm gonna treat this body butter like any other body butter. Okay, so let's go.
She's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself.
So this is it. I'm just gonna put it in here. Guys, you already seen me do this so many times. I hope it's not strange to you, but can you see this? Okay, my favorite jar, right? Let's go. Okay, I don't know what to do. I'm just all over the place. I don't know what to do. Okay, it's coming out. Guys, I haven't done this in a while now, but let's do this, okay? Please shut the front door and keep talking. This is mind-blowing, beautiful, as usual. Like these colors always have the purpose. This is our final results. Like I said, this is your best bet when it comes to summer and shaping your body butter. You can never go wrong with this. Guys, you can never go wrong with this body butter. Like you can do whatever you want to do, what time of the year. This is year-round product. Guys, take note of this and take this very serious. You will be amazed. Like most people I know that ship out body butter, during the summertime, they really don't bother. That's not a summer thing. But with this, you're free now. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so if you are interested, go down in the description. I'm gonna be leaving all of the measurements down in the description bar. Like, suit yourself, recreate. If you like, tag me or something. And until next time, cheers, bye-bye.
Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown.